I just feel sorry for Harry a bit because I think she's a bit of a control freak, and taking him away from the family is and losing his military bit as well. He won't be able to wear the uniform anymore. It's very sad. So no, I won't be watching. I'm going to back the Queen and stay away from it all.
I don't know what she's complaining about, but if she was badly treated in here, she should have stayed here and fight for her right, because she had an opportunity or another chance to leave and to carry on with her life, but she forgot that Prince Harry belongs here and she should have stayed with him and fight. I think so.
Queen Elizabeth was crowned queen when she was in Kenya, and she should be able to embrace the black culture. She became queen when in the black soil. So it doesn't make sense for her to be racist to Meghan Markle. So it doesn't make sense to us. Yeah, it's I don't even know how to explain it. It's like an abomination or something of some sort.
Meghan is a 21st century icon of a strong woman. She has faced racism head on. With the help of her husband, she has decided to leave royalty, leave the big names for the sake of her family and kids. So she has shown us that she can do it, so we can also do it.
你有话想说却苦无发声的管道吗？
你对事情有不同的见解却无人倾诉吗？
年轻学子们站出来说出你们的想法，让我们听听年轻人的心声。
闹变风下，强力征求学生辨识，只要你敢说，我们就敢要。
赶紧拍摄影片，然后发送到我们以下的信箱，就会有专人跟你联系。
还有，别忘了订阅我们闹变风向的 YT 频道，按赞，开启小铃铛，就不会错过我们精彩的辩论哦。
各位朋友，闹变风向，
敢嘴就来辩。